Hello everyone, myself Prashant Sagar JP. I am studying second MCA Manasa Gangotri, University of Mysore. Today I am going to tell about the fake news identification. How many of you receive forwarded news on WhatsApp? I think all are receives the forwarded message on WhatsApp. How many of you verify each and every pieces of news you read before believing it? Research shows that 1 in 2 Indians receives fake news via WhatsApp and Facebook. As per a survey by Social Media Matters and Institutes of Governance, Policies and Politics. So why is identifying fake news is important? Because when we don't, we can be fooled or manipulated into versus existing stereotypes, getting worried about fake diseases epidemic or even influencing whom we vote for. Fake news is a real problem. Pope Francis shocks world, endorses Donald Trump for president. Religion statement is 9,60,000. WikiLeaks confirms Hillary showed weapons to ISIS. The drops another bombshell. Breaking news in 7,89,000. It's over. Hillary's ISIS emails just leaked and it's worse than any could have imagined in 7,54,000. Just read the law. Hillary is disqualified from holding any federal office is 7,01,000. FBI agent suspected in Hillary's email leaks found dead in a apartment murder suicide in 5,67,000. How we set up our programs and data. We input the domain names, HTML codes and labels is 0 for true and 1 for fake. Of 2002 news website to train the model, then we use 309 example to test it. The output were labels of either zeros or ones, that is real or fake. Under the board domain on natural language processing, we use different approaches like keyword search, bag of words, and glove. Our best model, a combination of bags of words, words to vector, and the feature description models was found to be the one which shows as maximum accuracy. Bag of words look at the count of each word. Words to vector finds out the actual meaning of the word. Feature description look at the URL and the HTML to infer the difference fake and real news. In 87.39% test accuracy for to improve, instead of using only 16 features, we changed to using 616 features in our words to vector model, which was one of the key factors for improving our accuracy. Using controversial words which were seen to appear more in fake news than in real. Example bombing, terrorist, Trump. Our confusion matrix. True positives is 104 and false positives is 30. False negative is 1 and true negatives are 111. World real world applications. Elections, fake job rockets, checking the credibility of news links received on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, fake medical news messages. Case study job rockets. Phishing at a reputed job portals. Another way of cunning job aspiring aspirant is thought reputed job portals where rocketers fish for personal details of job seekers and explored them later. They built a database of critical person information of unsuspecting candidates, which can be dangerously misused at the later points. Says Chakravarti. Is in June, police arrested the three men from Kavinagar in Ghaziabad for allegedly cheating several seekers of around 3.5 crores in the last 2 years. The mastermind of the rocket posted on Naukri.com as a representative of fictitious companies such as IDN International and in Entomasis Technology Indian Private Limited, and posted jobs. He would collect personal data of candidates who applied to those jobs. Later, he would send the fake interview letters from big, well known companies. He wanted the candidates to pay through Paytm for fixing the interviews so he would get these jobs. Real world implementation. To implement this in real life, we can make a mobile app or a WhatsApp integrated features. Using word simply enter a link of the news website and be able to verify whether a news website is true or fake. In the future, our improved model could also consider individual news stories and not just the news website as a whole. A on fake news. We use two-step method focusing on fake news. In the first step of the method, a number of pre-processing is applied to the data set to convert unstructured data sets into the structured data set. In the second step, 23 supervised artificial intelligence algorithms have been implemented in the data set, transformed into the structured format with the text meaning method. Thank you.